Okay, so we continue with chapter 2 on subtopic of developing missions and strategy. So first, every organizations they need to have mission. So mission statements, in mission statement they tells an organization where it is going, what we want to achieve. That is mission. Okay, so how to achieve missions? By having strategies. Okay, so by putting up the strategies, you will have you will uh, go to the mission. Okay, so for example, if you want to get A for this subject, so what do you do? First you need to do revisions, read before class. Okay, ask the questions, for example. So ask the question, do the revision is the strategies in order to get A for this subject. Okay, let's move on. So strategy is, it is how to get there, the things that the actions to get there. Okay, so the mission, where are you going, is about where are you going, so you need to have the mission. Okay, so the mission is about organization's purpose for being, why they set up this company, why we set up this company. Okay, and why the organization set up the company. Okay, then the answer is, the answers of what do we provide to society. So for example, you are producing food. So food is the things, or the mechanism that you want to give to the society. You have the service of delivery service. So the delivery service is the thing that you provide to society, the service that you provide to society. Okay, and it provides boundaries and focuses lah for missions. Boundaries meaning that we put the limits on the boundaries where we have the missions in, so that we do not go anywhere. So the mindset, the focus will not be divert lah, meaning that you want to focus to one thing. Okay, so this is examples of Merck. Merck is a drug company whereby, as you can see here, the strategy, the mission is to provide society with superior product and services. How? By innovations and solutions that improve the quality of life, and at the same time they want to satisfy customer needs. So drugs, or ubat lah kita panggil, bukan drugs yang it's not a drugs that a drug addicted tu. Okay, and to provide employee with meaningful works. So as you can see here, the what this company do is to provide a product, superior product. At the same time, they are focused on innovation. They are focused also on their employee and also investor and investors with a superior rate of return. Okay, this one also examples of Rock Cafe. So how they spread the missions, or how they convey their missions is to spread the spirit of rock and roll. So that is their service lah, by delivery and entertainment. And entertainment is their service that they provide to the society. Okay, this one is Palmer Hospital. Alright, so let's move on to factor affecting mission. So as you can see here, we have 5 factors that affect missions. Okay, first factor is philosophy and values. What you want to give to the people, or what are the things that you can provide to the people. So for example, service, and the superior service, superior product, and with the rate of return, good rate of return. Okay, so it comes to the profitability and growth. Of course, when talking about business, so we are talking about profitability and growth lah. So it relates to another. So how we can get the profits. Okay, and we also have a public image, how people see your product, how people see your service, to have a good service. Let's say the organization is about to produce how to manage the waste. At the same time, they are focusing on recycling part, or managing wise the waste wisely. Okay, that is on public image, how people see that company with a good view lah. Okay, okay, and then we have environment. Environment, how we take care of environment. Okay, and customer, what we are focusing on, producing product for the customer. So at the end, we are providing benefits to the society. All the missions ni, we want to provide good or benefits lah, benefits to society. Okay, this one is a sample of missions. So the sample of missions, this is one company. In one company, they have varieties of department. So therefore, each of department, they have their own operations management missions. Alright, so I will skip this one. So you can see the samples of department missions is on product design, quality management, and location, human resource, up to the maintenance lah. So every organization, they have their own, every organization, they have their own missions, and in organizations, they have their own departments. So for their own departments also, they have missions. Okay, and then let's take a move on strategic process, whereby after we develop missions organizations, and it goes to the functional areas lah. Meaning that we create the missions, and then how to achieve the missions. Of course, we need all these functional areas works together. Marketing needs to work together to achieve the mission. Operations also needs to work together to achieve the mission, as well as other functions, as you can see previously. Okay, let's take a look on strategies, whereby strategy is an action plan in order to achieve missions. And of course, to achieve missions, we need to have interrelations, or we need to work together with other functional area. Functional area ni is the department lah. Kalau in organizations, we call it department. Engineering department, operational department, financial department. So we need to work together. Okay, strategies explore opportunities and strengths and neutralize threat. Threat is the challenges, and avoid weaknesses. Okay, and we will go through what is the SWOT after this. Okay, let's take a look on strategies for competitive advantage. The competitive advantage is how we be different compared with other organizations. So we are competing using differentiation. Differentiation ni how we want to be different lah. So by having better or least different with other company. Okay, the second one, we go for cost leadership. So cost leadership, you are able to provide cheaper product or cheaper service. Simple example, we have AirAsia, Mydin, Tesco, which these companies are focusing on cost leadership. Okay, then the last part is response. Response is by providing rapid response, a very rapid response to the customer.